And this one is the third shower panel today we have. It's very similar. How to say? Adventure page with temple glass shower panel, because the surface is flat and very easy to clean, just as we said. But the finish is totally different from the temple glass.
Yes.
So, yeah.
This material is different from these two models we introduced before. This is aluminum alloy.
Yes, aluminum alloy and with painting and liquid painting. And you can see the surface is very flat and smooth, just because before painting we brushed all the surface and there is no detail. Okay. There is it's very smooth in the surface to make sure the surface is smooth, and we painted it into the white and then baked it with high temperature. And once it's finished, we have to paint it twice and bake it twice. So in front of you, this is 2 levels painting, liquid painting shower panel.
And the difference for the material is thick. This material is very
thick.
Yeah. This is our common no more.
Yes. You can see the market. Most of the shower panel in the market use normal aluminum oil, and this one is used the thick one, which means 3 to 4 times thicker than the normal one.
If you can listen to the sound, it's different for the thickness material.
Yes, this sound is very weak.
Yeah, but it's listening very stronger.
Yes.
It means this shower panel is more stronger.
Yes. And some customers may have some questions. Why should I mix it with so thick materials? I can use the same one. Just let me tell you why. Just because if you handle it and touch it, you will find it's very smooth. But if you want to use same one, you will find that sometimes it's hurt. And during the time you take a bath and your skin is wet, it's very weak, get hurt than normal. So for the first, we want to keep a good touch. The second, we want to keep your safe.
Yes, and the quality is better than this normal one.
Yes, and I think the thick panel can reduce the shock from the water pipe or some water hose, and make fewer noise.
Yes, and this designer is very simple. You can look just no others color, just all black and all white.
Yes, you can paint just like you want. If you want, you can paint it into different colors: white, black, or whole white, whole black, and something yellow, red, blue, burgundy color, and everything you want.
You can make a rainbow accessory of the yellow.
That would be interesting.
Yeah. Pink, purple, also you want.
Yes, and if you want, you can paint by yourself. When you buy it from the market. So,
and for the designer, there is also is different others. This for this angle.
This is detail, and you will find the structure is very.
This angle, and yes, you can protect you.
Yes, all the angle is round. you have no chance, no even one chance to get hurt. This is our promotion to you. And so far, anything more? What functions is introduced as private videos, and today, as we said, this is a special video for different material and different finish to explain to our customers. So this is today's 3 models.